Hello, I'm Alan Barnhart, Executive Director at Catawba Science Center in Hickory, North Carolina. We're here today to tell you a little bit about one of our special projects that we've been doing, but let me start off by telling you something about our center. Catawba Science Center serves over 140,000 visitors every year, including 53,000 students over 26 counties in the western part of North Carolina. Sit back and enjoy the rest of the program and learn about one of the very special projects that we're doing here at Catawba Science Center.
Our water quality project in Great Blue Heron study was based along the Catawba River from Lake James all the way down to the South Fork of the Catawba River near Gastonia. We were studying pH, dissolved oxygen, phosphates, nitrates, figuring out where these things might have come from. We were able to trap Great Blue Herons, and each of the schools got to adopt their Great Blue Heron and name it. And it can be tracked on a special website called movebank.org.
The devices that we're using have never been used until just a few years ago. So this is giving us unprecedented detail. At one point, this was only military technology, the GPS accuracy in these units. So not only researchers, but students are getting much finer resolution to it.
It was just a really fun experience. It was very cool. It was nice out of the classroom field work. You know, you have all these classes that we take, like, you know, ecology and stuff, where we get out into the field, but only for 3 hours, you know, maybe once a week or less sometimes. But, you know, for this, we were out there for 2 weeks in the field every day for at least 8 hours most days. So it was a lot of fun. It was a nice change of pace from being in a classroom setting.
It's wonderful to be able to let the kids be involved in real science, and they can see that they're not just doing some kind of simulation in a class, but that their data is actually being used outside of the classroom. I think that citizen science piece is very important for the kids to see, and it's been great to have that opportunity.
I've always believed that the future of this nation is really a function of our ability to grow in science education, and that begins by educating young people. So the relationship Lenoir-Rhyne has developed with the Catawba Science Center is really refreshing to me, because it gives the opportunity to take the expertise of faculty and students and use that to support the agenda of the Science Center, which is to educate real young people about science education.
I hope you enjoyed this study of great blue herons and water quality along the Catawba River Basin. We'd like to provide special thanks to 3M Gibbs and their plant in Conover, North Carolina. Our other project partners included Lenoir-Rhyne University and 6 different school districts throughout the Catawba River Basin. Maybe your program is the next to be filmed and engage those students.